Living in Borneo's high canopy, this strong, intelligent ape eats fruits and leaves, easily distinguished by its iconic, vivid orange fur. This aquatic snakebird hunts fish in fresh water by submerging its body. It must sun-dry its non-waterproof feathers after every hunting session. Found near wetlands, this massive, heavy reptile eats various prey. It features a powerful tail and a forked tongue. Inhabiting dense rainforest streams, this tiny cobalt blue bird catches aquatic prey via high-speed dives, waiting motionlessly on low branches. Earth's largest living reptile thrives in brackish waters and mangroves. This patient apex predator overpowers almost any available prey. Living in social Borneo river families, these cooperative hunters eat fish and frogs. They possess distinct, smooth, short fur. The world's smallest otter inhabits shallow swamps, using highly dexterous, partially webbed paws to hunt aquatic prey while remaining highly vocal. Found near wooded lakes, this large bird hunts fish and rodents. It features a massive red bill. One of the rarest storks, this solitary nester lives in Southeast Asian peat swamps, hunting fish and aquatic prey. Endemic to Borneo's mangroves, this primate primarily eats young leaves. Males possess large pendulous noses and they swim exceptionally well. Inhabiting dark peat swamps, this rare chocolate-brown crocodilian with black banding primarily eats fish using its long, narrow snout. Found in coastal wetlands, this large scavenging bird slowly stalks fish and reptiles, featuring a massive wedge-shaped beak. Roosting in lower forest understories near water, this nocturnal owl hunts fish, utilizing unfeathered legs and bright yellow eyes. Coiled among liana vines, this green and blue venomous snake ambushes small prey, utilizing specialized heat-sensing pits. The world's longest snake lives near wetlands, constricting mammals and birds. It boasts incredible strength and beautiful geometric skin patterns. longest venomous snake globally, it inhabits dense forests, intelligently hunting other snakes. It famously rises to expand its hood. This smaller elephant subspecies lives in lowland forests, consuming grasses and palms. It features large ears and long tails. Inhabiting dense forests and clearings, these wild cattle graze on grass. They are recognizable by distinct white leg stockings and rumps. This arboreal apex predator hunts in primary rainforests. It features cloud-patterned fur, a long balancing tail, and massive canines. The smallest bear species inhabits tropical forests, using massive claws to extract insects. It has black fur and a golden chest. This critically endangered feline hunts aquatic prey in swamps. It possesses a flattened skull, webbed paws, and forward-facing eyes. Found across forests and agricultural lands, this agile carnivore hunts small rodents. It boasts beautiful leopard-like spots and climbing skills. This specialized insectivore uses powerful claws to open termite nests. It features overlapping keratin scales and rolls up for protection. This large omnivorous bearcat lives in rainforest canopies, eating figs and small animals. It uniquely uses its prehensile tail for climbing. Inhabiting damp rainforest undergrowth, this stark white insectivore eats earthworms and insects, releasing a powerful ammonia-like scent to deter natural predators. Endemic to Borneo's subterranean river burrows, this rare, heavily scaled reptile lacks external ears and hunts small aquatic prey. Living in slow-moving fresh water, this fierce insect catches aquatic prey using raptorial legs and breathes via an abdominal tube. These massive ants inhabit rainforest floors and trees. They consume honeydew and insects, boasting powerful mandibles and organized social structures. Found in lowland rainforests, this iconic butterfly drinks nectar, boasting massive black wings highlighted by brilliant green patterns. This arboreal amphibian feeds on canopy insects. Its vivid green skin and exceptionally large webbed toes enable impressive tree-to-tree gliding. This small reptile eats insects on vertical forest trees. It glides using flared, wing-like patagia to assert its territorial dominance. Hunting invertebrates in tropical mid-canopies, this elegant emerald lizard features a spiky neck crest that changes colour during interactions. This tiny carnivorous primate hunts insects and small birds. It features massive light-gathering eyes and perfectly rotates its head backward. Moving cautiously through mid-canopies, this primate eats tree gum and insects. It defends itself using toxic elbow secretions on its teeth. Foraging for hard seeds on rainforest floors, this rare rodent features tall ear tufts and a massive, oversized tail. Living in the high canopy, this squirrel eats fruits and seeds. Its striking tri-colored coat provides excellent camouflage among trees. This massive glider feeds on canopy leaves and fruits. A large reddish-brown membrane allows incredibly graceful tree-to-tree glides. This herbivorous colugo eats leaves high in primary forests. It features mottled grey camouflage and an extensive body-spanning gliding membrane. Foraging on lowland forest floors, this bird scratches for seeds. Males flaunt vivid blue faces, fiery red backs, and crests. Foraging on lowland forest floors, this bird scratches for seeds. Males flaunt vivid blue faces, fiery red backs, and crests. Dwelling on dense jungle floors, this fruit-eating bird is famous for courtship, featuring exceptionally long tails and eye-spotted wings. This omnivorous, majestic bird lives in upper rainforest canopies. It boasts a black body and a spectacular upward curving, colourful casque. This critically endangered fruit eater inhabits ancient high canopies. It possesses a uniquely solid, heavy casque used for aerial headbutting contests. Thriving in secondary forests, this generalist small hornbill eats fruits, recognizable by its black and white plumage and pale yellow beak. Living in peat swamp canopies, this bird mainly eats fatty fruits. It features a deeply ridged casque and unique nesting behaviors. Forming noisy, highly social flocks, these cooperative mid-story feeders eat fruits and insects, displaying untidy, dark crests and constant vocalizations. Preferring young shoots in the upper mid-story, this leaf-eating primate features reddish-brown fur and engages in social grooming rituals. This acrobatic frugivore brachiates rapidly through the highest rainforest branches. Its loud, musical whooping calls beautifully define the canopy's sound. Highly adapted to mangrove swamps, this primate eats leaves. Groups remain visible due to silvery grey adults carrying bright orange infants. This opportunistic nocturnal carnivore hunts small prey on forest floors. It displays a heavily spotted body and a distinctively ringed tail.